kuyo apha makakhazoyibona upresident phaa amabheke kulaa khaya elitsha ayithandayo sobe siya kuyo engezi apha esamora. Sukusikhala kakubi ipresident sawugqiba okokuba sikuvotela siyakuvotela.
Uyaphinda ngoku ufumana itshansi yocelebrate. Ucelebrate njani sisakhala?
Chopha ndikubanisele. Baphefumla ikaka. Batsiba ikaka nakulo nyaka abahlali eSamora eKapa.
Ndisebunyeni. Masipala waseSamora awusebenze. Sisebunyeni apha endikaka ndiyayiphefumla ndiyitya ndingakade ndiyayinya phela ndiyitye. Mna ndimhlali kule bunya. Kanti njongeni nengahlala kuyo. Kanti njengoba njani andimhle wadlele ekateni. Yhu uyambayi.
Oh, guys. I know you're wondering why am I laughing, because this is so sad. This is other people's condition that they live in every day. So let me translate what is happening here, or let me try to explain what is happening here. This place is in South Africa, a Cape Town, place called Samora. So the challenges that they have, they stay in a shithole. The pipes, the sewer pipes, they're always bursting. The feces are flowing all over the place. Like they explain that they inhaling, they eating, and all of that. And they complaining that our president is not doing anything about it, and they've been on it for the longest time. And what makes them so sad is that they do vote, but the president doesn't deliver, as always. Presidents, they don't, there's politics people, they always promise, and then the moment they get what they want, they don't deliver. Sometimes, I said sometimes, please don't come for me. But you know why I'm laughing? I'm Xhosa, guys, and there's nothing in this world that I've discovered about Xhosa people. They are so graphic. There's no way you won't get their points. And their point won't just point without using figures of speech. It's so nice that they will explain something to you in different ways, but they still want the message to be delivered. A word, ikaga. Ikaga, it's feces. But someone can come congratulate you and say, yo, brah, yo, intwana yam uyikaka wena. Like ikaka, it's the famous word esiXhoseni that you can use for anything. You can tell someone that you love them and use the word ikaka. You can tell someone who pisses you off, tell them that they're pissing you off using the word ikaka. And you can tell them that you want to go to the toilet. You want ukaka. Ikaka, we use it for everything. You can tell someone that they're doing nonsense and use the word ikaka. Like these people, even the reporter, he's trying to explain these people that really they living in a bad condition. But how is he explaining it? You would literally laugh. And I'm a Xhosa right now. I know, guys, you get it. You get it why I was laughing throughout. Instead of being sad, yes, I am sad. It's so sad when you know that there are people who have to open their doors and there's feces everywhere. It's so sad that they have to duck and diving, the feces all over. It's smelling. I mean, their lives could be in danger as well. Like, we need to consider that there's a lot that can happen, and that probably is happening throughout this whole process of this thing that the municipality is not taking care of. But the highlight, guys, is this. Xhosa. They are so graphic. Like that lady. She's complaining about the pipes that have busted at the very same time. Like, can you imagine me staying in a place like this, as pretty as I am? Where the fuck am I? Okay, now should we concentrate on how you look, or should we fix the problem? You understand? And others be like, we inhaling it, we eating it, we living it, we sleeping it, Like, as they speak, I could literally imagine fully what are they going through. But okay, jokes aside, we have a crisis. At some point in my life, I always thought that it's a South African problem when it comes to our government not delivering, until I started watching a lot of documentaries. I don't want to say much because I haven't traveled. Other people would say much or better of whatever that I want to say because they've traveled, they've seen. But I'm going to base on the documentaries that I watch. More especially, I'm always watching Lisa Ling. I always watch Reggie Yates. And sometimes it makes me to appreciate my country so much, and it makes me to feel that I'm privileged to be a South African. But sometimes it makes me feel that I'm so angry at our government. I believe that we can do better, and I believe that we are a creative country. We are a very well-known country because we have so many things that we have in store. But are we being really taken care of fully as South Africans? Are we really in a right space of saying we are happy with everything? You see that lady when she said, we voted for you, but you're still not delivering. It's one of the things that made me to be in a position of not entertaining politics and religion, or because I feel that it's always the survival of the fittest amongst themselves. I believe that even if you can come with good intentions, coming to lead as a councillor or a mayor or whatsoever, regional, whatsoever that you get a position in, and you coming there with great intentions, plans, and whatsoever. But the moment you get there, I think you definitely don't have a choice, because it means that if you're not doing this business with us, you're not doing as we do it, it means that you're a snitch, which we can eliminate you. Because you'll be knowing so much, you will be seeing so much, you'll be experiencing so much around us, but you don't want to partake in whatsoever. So we rather eliminate you. So, but I just hope that video really, I just hope it went as far that they can understand these people, what they're going through, the frustrations, as much as they make it in a graphic that makes me laugh. But I believe that our government can do better. And obviously, it starts from the hierarchy to the closest people, councillors, street committees. Do something. People are sitting in shitholes. Guys. Do better, man.